That's the opener. That's the opener to the wedding video.
Like literally just grab on.
We're digging a hole over there. That's somewhere I'm not clean. What?
Is it like
Wait,
why?
wait, is this like a superstition or something? Like that.
Can we make a fire?
Yes. Lindsay sent me a TikTok and it was of like all these girls burying a wiener the night before a wedding. And it's supposed to bring like good weather on the wedding day. Like, oh my God, you should totally do this. I'll bring the hot dogs. And I was like, I don't think you understand. I am actually going to do this. And I sent it to Dad, and they were like, oh my God, please, we have to, you know. I totally forgot about this.
I didn't. I said tomorrow.
Have to find.
Yes, where are we doing it?
And a shovel.
Wait, we're giving it a taste.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I know what a shovel is.
Like I saw them over there earlier. I know. I saw man. So
Are we using
the star app?
Yes.
Okay, so the dipper is right here.
We just need
Little dipper, Draco.
I can barely see it.
I hardly know her.
Okay. So the best part about Draco is
We'll just have to be quiet on this count.
we were afraid that they were going to continue digging.
Yeah. Yeah, we need another one out. What a bride does for good weather. Oh, there's also. The flowers are beautiful.
So I picked a good inconspicuous spot.
You can't even tell it's there.
It's underneath the bush.
Okay, please.
It was good like that.
It was.
Well, someone already christened it. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Thanks to for the bit.
Apple?
Apple?
Hannah.
No, thank you. Oh, okay.
This is what the last moments as an Everett looks like. I feel a rumbling in my tummy.
Alright, Hannah, I need you to get over here so you can experience this.
Yes, okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I can't wait to see these videos of me just dancing in the bed.
What is Adam doing out there? The other Adam.
He was walking around the tree so that he could smoke.
Literally caught in Fort Pay.
The multi-generational household is got her
Protein,
her
fiber,
potassium.
caffeine. Yes.
You got all the
I'm gonna
goods.
do some lay flat.
You're like the most chill bride ever. Like, it's so funny. Hey! Yeah, we got.
That's good vodka.
David!
One in the outfit.
Did it make sure he wasn't gonna split his pants?
Oh.
Lexus GH.
It's on his big day. Cheers, guys.
It's a refreshing death strike.
There we go.
Toast to this magical day.
Yay!
Everybody take a shot.
Woo! Oh yeah. I gotta. You didn't schedule this round of stretches.
Yeah, you're right. I love myself. Period.
This is Castleberry! Let's go!
Give a specific story, but I do know that when I met you, I had braces. I was wearing cardigans in 6th grade. I really didn't know who I was, and I saw you She had the most amazing side-swept bangs. She was deep in her emo phase. And I saw her, and I saw how confident she was, and I said, that girl's gonna be my friend. So here we are. Who knew? From the start, she just got me. At a time when we were both experiencing uncertainty, dysfunction, we found a sense of quiet understanding in each other. We didn't have to talk about it. We just knew. It was just an understanding that we both had. And through it all, we laughed all the time. Most pictures of us together are caught mid-laugh. Our friendship has always been marked by joy, even through the hard times. And the truth is, I always just want to be funny enough to make Hannah laugh. Exactly. So we all know she has the most amazing laugh. It makes the room light up. It's contagious, it's warm, and it feels like home. And I just want to keep making you laugh the rest of my life, and I hope Adam as well. You can share in that journey with me. I trust you to take that one over. And Adam, from the moment you entered the picture, it was clear you were different. You were the calming, grounding energy that balances Hannah's fiery, airy spirit. And you didn't just join Hannah's life, you joined our lives, all of your friends' lives. Hannah and Adam, you've already built a life full of love and laughter together. And I know you'll be just fine, and you have a true partnership, and that's such a beautiful, rare thing. Thank you for including us all on your journey, and I can't wait to see where it takes you. But here's to this love that's strong enough to be a castle and sweet enough to be a berry. To the Castleberries, may your life be full of joy and constant laughter. Cheers to Hannah and Adam. If you all raise a glass with me.
I won't take too much of your time, but I want to talk about how much of a joy it is to be around this couple. Hannah has been a wonderful person to get to know. She's always so positive, even when things are rough, and I admire that a lot. When Hannah was first introduced to our family, it felt like she already had a place. She's so funny and never fails to put up a smile on anyone's face. If you've ever talked to Hannah, you'll know that she's the pun master. I can't wait for her to be my sister. Then for Adam, he has made me the person I am today. So wherever Adam went, I tailgate. And yes, I was that little brother. But I had a blast hanging out with him and his friends. And even internally, I knew he hated it. However, he did make sure I was safe and had a good time. And for that, I am forever grateful. And I know that marriage isn't always going to be rainbows and sunshine, but I know that he will always love Hannah and take very good care of her.
I'm a proud mother of 3 amazing children. Yeah, I'm gonna have I'm so thankful that my Hannah Bear has found someone that treats her well, loves her, and makes her happy. Although her father and brother Jesse are no longer on this earth, I know they are here with us, and they are just as proud as our girl as I am. Congrats to Hannah and Adam. I love you both. Take care of each other. Thanks again to you all for coming. Now eat, drink, and be merry.
All right, everybody, let's party.
Well.